We need a rough intro.
Am I doing it now?
Yeah.
Is my hair okay? Any good bottom feeder should know how to bake their own bread rather than just buying it from the supermarket, especially during lockdown. Today we're gonna make some easy, no knead focaccia that's a lot more hands-off than sourdough.
And a lot easier than Samin Nosrat's recipe too.
Yeah. We need 4 cups of bread flour. I think you can also use all-purpose flour. To get it in, I just scoop it and then I just kind of shake it out.
So it's flat?
Yeah, flat-ish. This is the 4th one. And then we'll add into it a teaspoon of instant yeast, a teaspoon of salt, and then 2 cups of water. We just want to mix this until it's all incorporated. We want in between batter and like a pizza dough. I just forgot to add the olive oil. So we just need like a lug of it. Sorry, I hit the camera. So then we just leave this dough in the fridge covered, and you just want to have it in a bowl that's gonna have room for it to rise. So we'll come back tomorrow. It's the next morning and we're getting the dough out. It should be bubbling slightly. Put the oven on 200. Oil a non-stick baking tray generously. Now we just want the dough to warm through a little bit before we put in the oven. It's taking a while to warm up, so I'm just gonna put it in the sun, covered in a tea towel. It should be kind of jiggly and bubbly when it's warmed through a little bit.
So there's yeast in this recipe. When do you think they first discovered yeast as an ingredient?
I think it was just a result of the fermentation, maybe, the yeast.
Oh, okay. So like they didn't have it in packets and stuff. Oh wow.
So it's a lot more jiggly, it's risen a bit, and now it's getting bubbly. Now we've got to poke holes in it. Kind of. Ooh. It's really soft. Boop. Pour on the olive oil.
Yeah.
So this has had another 10 minutes just to rise up again. It should be ready to pop in the oven.
It's a big crystal of salt.
It goes into the oven for 20 to 30 minutes till golden on top. That's a crispy edge, yum. Thanks for watching. You can find the recipe for this focaccia below and in my blog. Please subscribe for more budget recipes like this.